I work with the spaces. So for me, it's really important to visit those spaces where I'm going to exhibit and then jump into my studio. During this process, I learned few things from this space. The way my work is, it's very intricate, it's very time consuming. I cannot produce something which shouldn't be there. It has to be there. I start with the smaller works. I cannot start it on the big works like, okay, in the morning I just woke up and say, okay, I'll make a big work. No. I create these small drawings. They are like little scripts or like diaries for me. It's about just to physically get involved in that mood and that form. It takes months and months to sit holding the pen with two hands. You don't even remember where you started and where you end. Slowly writing, and you can see the expression of every dot or line. It's like a process of breathing in and breathing out. It's like a rhythm. This big guy holding that little pen and putting his 105 kg weight on the tip of that pen and making these big works and sitting for months. Of course, this is a surprise for the people. I know it's madness to create these because we're living in this age when we are creating the works in minutes and seconds. I'm also exhibiting a neon piece. I got involved with this idea of connection, Khushamdeed is a Urdu word. It's welcome in English, and the Persian and Arabic, all these people can understand this word quite easily. So while I was walking in this city, I felt something, these buildings doesn't get the attention of the local community, like Asians, Arabic people. With Khushamdeed, I think these buildings got activated. It's a New North-South program welcoming people to get inside these structures and see the artworks of different artists. You will see the people will be stopping and they will be looking at these Khushamdeed because they feel connected with this simple word. And that community can relate with English people who has been living here for a longer time. So then they become together. Then they become like one. So the art can change it. Just one word, Khushamdeed, it's making huge difference. The reason of me making art, I wanted to connect. I wanted to connect with the street man to the guy who's living in a penthouse. Luckily, I developed this language which is quite universal. It has no boundaries. Anybody from anywhere can relate with this work. When they get connected, then they have the inquiries. I'm not giving them that freedom to just have the answer in 3 seconds. They get trapped. They look at the work, they find different things. Few people come, they just love the intricacy of these works. Few people come, they just love the meditative quality of this work. The technician who've been installing these works, you have no idea what they were saying to me. We've been installing the works for a long time and it's so organic. We can relate with these works. I think that is a success. You feel connected with everybody. And that's a success.